In the underserved rural communities, the need for robust infrastructure is more critical than ever. In the Rangareddy region of Telangana, India, we work closely with local organizations and community members to understand their needs and find ways to contribute in a holistic, impactful, and sustainable manner.
We believe the real change begins at the heart of our communities, and every growing community requires strong infrastructure. And that's why, through Amazon initiatives, we are committed to creating long-term community impact. And we do it by building strong infrastructure across healthcare, education, and other hyperlocal community needs.
The formative years of childhood shape the essence of who we become. Anganwadi centers play a crucial role in the lives of children under age 6.
In our partnership with Amazon, we closely work with Anganwadi centers to address their challenges by enhancing their infrastructure and ensuring safe and engaging environment for children.
మేమైతే 1 year నుంచి మా పాపను పంపిస్తున్నాము. ఈ అమెజాన్ వాళ్ళకి డెవలప్ చేయడం వల్ల కొంచెం చూడడానికి బాగుంది. మా పిల్లల్ని పంపించడానికి కూడా కొంచెం ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అనిపిస్తుంది.
For several young minds, a government school isn't just a place to learn. It's a place to develop interpersonal relationships, a chance at a better future, and access to quality nutrition. Through our Think Big Spaces initiative, we integrate STEM education into the curriculum and thereby help students learn technical skills and enable them to thrive in the new digital world.
ఇదివరకైతే క్లాస్లలో లేదంటే చెట్ల కింద కూర్చొని తినేవాళ్ళం. ఇప్పుడైతే డైనింగ్ హాల్లో మాత్రమే తినాలనిపిస్తుంది. సరౌండింగ్స్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది సార్. ఒక్కరోజు 2 days 3 days పడితే అబ్బా స్కూల్ని చాలా మిస్ అవుతున్నాను అనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
In partnering with Amazon, we have also established community rural libraries. These facilities are helping youth to prepare for competitive exams, and also younger minds are attracted to these facilities to improve their reading ability.
Lack of fully functional rural healthcare facilities has been a challenge for communities, and we address this by identifying and renovating existing facilities.
నేను ఇంతకుముందు ఈ హాస్పిటల్కి వచ్చినప్పుడు కొద్దిగా నీట్నెస్గా లేకుండే. ఇంతకుముందు ఇది చాలా మంది చివర్లోకి వెళ్ళేవాళ్ళు. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నీట్నెస్ అంతా రీకన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అయ్యాక ఇక్కడికే కన్సిడర్ అవుతారు ప్రతి ఒక్కరు. ఇప్పుడు
Amazon's work in Telangana's rural communities has been amazing. The number of schools that you have renovated, the number of healthcare centers that you have been working on, providing essential infrastructure for rural communities. I think this is all has been having a very positive impact on the rural communities. I'm sure the kind of quality infrastructure that you're providing, the lives of these people is definitely going to change for the better, and we are very happy to collaborate with Amazon in their work in giving back to the communities one at a time.
While we worked in creating infrastructure for better healthcare, education, early child development, we also embraced a broader vision, nurturing an all-encompassing growth of a thriving community.